2021 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Got a classic Muffy D over here. What we did was take out this muffler on the floor right over there, and we replaced it with some pipe. We hit it with the rust spray. It's black and makes it look a lot cleaner. This is gonna open up the truck a lot more. If you want something like a Flowmaster system or MagnaFlow, that's also an alternative, but this is gonna get the job done. All right, let's hear how she sounds. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe.